Hello and welcome to appse demo. In this session, we are going to discuss that whenever an existing customer which has account in BigCommerce and in Zoho Books, they updated some of their details within BigCommerce platform, be it address information, phone number change, or any other information update, those updates will automatically pushed back to Zoho Books accounting and update the customer records. So this is the flow which updates the customer record from BigCommerce to Zoho Books, which we are going to demonstrate today.
In this appse demo, we will see how a customer record which is updated in BigCommerce can be pushed back to Zoho Books. So it starts with a simple logic. It starts with a trigger that whenever any customer details are updated within BigCommerce, it will search those contact within Zoho Books. If the contact exists, that means it's an existing customer, then it will get the addresses which are associated with that customer in BigCommerce and then push all these updates back to Zoho Books. So let's go into the BigCommerce and let's see some updates here. So if I go into all customer section, so I can see I already have a customer, right? So let's update the company name a little bit and then move to the addresses section. And let's change the address. So here I am changing, for an example, the street address and the city, selecting a state also, and then keeping the other details as is, and I'm saving this update. Right, so these updates are happening within BigCommerce itself, where we have updated the customer details a little bit and the address details a little bit. Now, if we go into appse and if we so first let's see the current details. So here I can see the city was like the previous record within Zoho Books, and all these information are of previous record, which before the update. So now if we go into appse and if we just run this workflow once, and let's see the result in the last node. So if we go into run, so I can see that some records has been updated. This is the contact name. It updated the company name as we have specified within BigCommerce. And if we go into the addresses section, so I can see it has updated the address. It added a city. There was no state. We have added a state, and the street address has been slightly changed. And similar reflection happened within Zoho Books. So now quickly, if we go into Zoho Books and if we just come back to the customer section. So first I can see the company name has been changed from SRO to SRL. Right. So now if we go into details, so here I can see the addresses are changed, which I have specified within the BigCommerce e-commerce website. So in this way, through this very simple workflow, you can design a customer update or you can execute this customer update, which is happening in e-commerce back to Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.